Hello again there, beautiful people. Okay, so now we're working with inequalities based off these signs. Those are inequalities, okay? It's the same one-step process that you guys just did for equations, all right? So if you see a plus 3 here, the opposite of plus 3 is a minus 3 on both sides. This is the part where people usually get confused. Whenever you're adding or subtracting any type of number with inequalities, your sign never changes, okay? 5 minus 3 is 2, and you are done. Only thing now is that you need to do a quick number line. So you have a 2, a 3, a 1. Since it is just greater than, you're going to do open circle, and you're going to shade to your right. We've done this before, so I'm not going crazy in depth, but if any of you guys have any questions on this, please comment on Google Classroom, and I will do a more in-depth video. Okay, so I'm going to move on. We have number 6. We have x minus 2 is less than negative 5. So again, we're working with our minus 2. The opposite is to add 2 onto both sides. That cancels out. Your x gets brought down, and again, since we added on both sides, your sign does not change. And then negative 5 plus 2. Remember, different signs you subtract, and then you take the sign of the higher number, then you'll be exact. Okay, grab a number line. You have a negative 3 here, a negative 2 here, and a negative 4. We have an open circle again, and again, you see how it is pointing that way, to the left, as Beyonce said. All right, questions, comments, concerns? No? Great, we're moving on. Again, the same one-step process that you guys just saw a video of. We're doing the same thing again. It is 2 times x. You divide 2 on both sides. This is the part where it gets tricky. Do I change this sign here? Yes or no? If you said yes, you are wrong. You see how I divided by a positive 2. Whenever I add, subtract, it never changes. When I multiply and divide, that number has to be negative in order for it to flip. Since that is a positive 2, my sign stays the same, okay? It has to be a negative number that we're dividing or multiplying to change the sign. So since we didn't need to change, it's easy peasy. We got 2, 3, 1, open circle to our right. And I wanted to give an example where our sign does change. Oops, you guys see a preview of what we're going to be doing next. Okay. This one, we have divided both sides by a negative 2. You see how I'm physically dividing both sides by a negative 2. That is what makes me change my sign. I flip it. Okay, 4 divided by negative 2 is negative 2. All right. Make our number line. We have a negative 2, a negative 1, a negative 3. Open circle to our left. All right, that's it.